Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Sharma. Today I'm going to explain you how we will link our data on tap operating system with our NETAPP on command system console. So first of all, we need to install our NETAPP on command console in our Windows 8 operating system, which I have done it before itself. This is our data on tap simulator, which we are using it to configure our storage, which I have done it before itself. So just in case if you want to check about your configuration, we can type sysconfig, which will just pop up all the details related to this particular virtual machine. And now when we go back to our NetApp on command system manager, this will now actually we can just configure all the settings using our GUI interface. So first we need to add our storage, which I have already done before. So just for the demonstration purpose, I will just show you how to add a storage. Now we need to find the IP address of the first interface of our data on tab simulator, which we can just find it out by if config. So the first interface is 10.11. So I will just type the interface, which we will connect it with our data on tab. Under this we can see there are two options like SNAP and credentials. Credentials are nothing, we need to provide the details of our data on tab simulator. So once we provide it, we can click add. So since I have already done it, I'm just going to open my storage, and the status should be up if it's connected properly. So this is where we can have a look at all our storage configurations, like the aggregates, volumes, disks, and everything are available over here. This pie chart represents the storage, like the used and remaining spaces, and we have aggregates, 2 aggregates and 3 volumes. So under disks we can see there are 28 disks for this particular storage, and we have unknown, 0 unknown. We have to own all our disks. In order to check whether the disks are owned or unowned, we just need to type this command in our data on tab simulator. Here we can see it's all blocked. Blocked means it's owned by us. After we own all our disks, we can just start configuring our storage, which can be done from here. Here we have aggregates, and if you click on storage, we can just create our aggregates, volumes, and queue trees, and whatever we require to configure our storage, we can just do it from here. This is the place where we can do it. And under configuration we can see we have like the different types of protocols and the network settings. And if you check the network interfaces, we can see there are 4 interfaces. Only one interface is turned on, and that same thing we can check it from our data on tab simulator. See, we have 4 interfaces. Here also we have 4 interfaces with the same IP address, so it's just connected and it's fine. So now under protocols we can add as many protocols as we want, which are related to the storage. So we need to configure our DNS in this particular module, which now it's already done, but in order to configure, we can just go here and enable the DNS and add our domain name in here, and below we just need to click on add in order to add our domain to this particular storage, and we need to connect it with our server's IP address, which contains our Active Directory components. Initially the status of the DNS server will be off. Now it's turned on and it's connected to our domain. And to check that, we can just go to our command prompt and try pinging our domain or the IP address of our server. So as we can see, it's pinging and it's replying. Now it's good to go. Now we have added this to our domain. To check the performances of the storage, we can just click on performance, and we can view our system log files, which will help us to troubleshoot any of the issues related to our storage. And even we can just configure our CIFs. And if we go to aggregates, we can create aggregates just by create. And as we can see, I have already created 2 aggregates, and under volumes We can create as many volumes as we want and link it with our aggregates. And this is our data on tap simulator. We can use different commands to create our aggregates or volumes using our data on tap simulator, but I prefer using GUI interface because it's easy and we can manage it properly. So this is how we add our data on tap simulator to our NetApp on command system manager. Thank you. Have a good day.